Hi guys, welcome to Teachers In. So today we'll discuss about Mother Teresa Women's University. This is the state government university and they declared their BEd, MEd, MPhil admission notification for 2021-2022 for all the subjects. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. So you can see here this is the Mother Teresa Women's University and this is located in Kodaikanal in Tamil Nadu. And here you can see lot of announcement is scrolling here, so we'll open one by one in a right click. So all are related to that admission only. So this is the Mother Teresa Women's University Kodaikanal. Here you can see welcome to Mother Teresa Women's University Kodaikanal online application portal. So here you can see that online application portal. You can see the center first. First we'll open the centers. So how many centers are there? So university have total 4 centers. One is Kodaikanal campus, one is Madurai campus, one is Chennai campus, one is Coimbatore campus. Okay, and they have mentioned their address. You can go through that. Then course offered. What are the course they are offering here? You can see every centers have their own course. You can see here Kodaikanal is offering this much of course, then Madurai campus is offering this much of course, Chennai campus and Coimbatore campus. Then course fee and structure. You can see the course fee of all the subjects. It is like a UG, PG, MPhil, everything is there. You can go through that. Okay. Now we'll see the application fee. So this is the application fee. You can see here for all the courses. Now I'll come again to this page. Now this is the payment gateway. You can see here this is the payment gateway. You have to pay your application fee through this gateway only. Okay, and this is the online application form. Now you can see here this is the notification. So I'll zoom it. So this is the notification. Applications are invited from the women's candidate for admission to the following regular programs for the academic year 2021-2022. What are the courses they are providing here this year? PG, MPhil regular programs. Okay, so here you can see arts courses and the science courses, then education courses and 5-year integrated courses. So today we'll discuss these courses like MEd courses, BEd courses and MEd special. Okay, those who want to take this course, they can go through this. And BEd regular Women's University College of Education Kodaikanal. Okay, and if you come down, you can see these are the course for our this is the campus locations. You can see here, and here they have mentioned like courses, PG courses and the eligibility criteria. So you can go through that PG courses. Those who want to do the PG here also, they can also see these things. So now we'll see the education. Those who wants to do BD or MEd or MEd specials. So for them, the qualification is any degree with minimum 50% marks for general. Then for BC 45 percent marks. Then MBC 43 and SC ST is 40% marks. For MEd, BEd in 55% marks is required. For MEd special education, BEd in special education with 55% marks. Okay. Those who want to do a 5-year integrated program, they can go through this. Then now we'll see the MPhil programs. You can see here MPhil programs, and you can do your MPhil in lot of subjects are mentioned here: English, computer science, Tamil studies, then horticulture studies, tourism management, library, information science, commerce, women studies, then sociology, physics, food and nutrition, education, special education, textile and clothing, then mathematics, then mass communication. Okay, so you can do your MPhil in these subjects. Apart from this, biotechnology, botany, chemistry and management. For this particular subject like biotechnology, you should have your masters with like biotechnology or biochemistry, then microbiology, applied biology, botany, zoology, environmental science and life science. Those who want to do their botany, MPhil in botany, so they should have qualification like MSc in botany or horticulture. Like chemistry, if you want to do MPhil in chemistry, then you should have like MSc in chemistry and or industrial chemistry. In management studies, those who have done like their MBA, MCom, MCS, MMS, MSc in IT and management, so they can go for MPhil in management studies. So these are the minimum qualification. Then what is the last date? You can see here they have mentioned here the last date for online application is 25/7/2021. Okay, this is the last date, so you have to remember this thing, 25/7/2021. And how to apply? Online only. Now we'll come here. This is the online application portal. So if you click here, so you can see the application form, registration form. So you have to register here. Okay, before registration you have to pay your application fee here through this payment gateway. Okay, you have to click here. Then I have read all the acceptance and the terms and conditions, then you have to proceed here. Okay, this is the procedure. If you want to see the centers, then course offered, then fee structure, everything you can see it here. Okay, the steps they have mentioned here. Since general instruction, you can go through this. They have mentioned in both Tamil and English, so you can read it here, how to apply for all these positions. Okay, apart from this they have their own brochure. You can also, if you want to see, you can also see this, but they have not mentioned anything. Simply they are, this is a like advertisement. What are the course they are providing? You can see it here, course providing in PG, MPhil and PhD, in which centers they are providing, they have mentioned here. Okay, so you have to remember this thing only. Main thing is this is the last date for online application is 25/7, and second thing is you can do your course in these subjects, basically in that MPhil and BD and MED. Okay, so these are the details. So those who are interested for this course, they can do it here. And basically those who are female, women, so that is a good opportunity for them. They can do it here and they will get a very good environment to study all these courses. So these are the details, and I'll give you this link in my description also. You people can access from there directly. And this is the end. And those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. We'll give you this kind of information. So thank you, all the best. So before leaving, I want to say our Teachers in channel is fully dedicated to teachers. Those who are looking for teachers related any studies, teachers related any competitive exam, teachers related any jobs, so they can subscribe our channel. In future, if there will be any update, so you can get it from here. Apart from this, you can also follow our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so that any notification will come immediately, you will get that notification. So thank you, all the best.